Power supply unit issues can disrupt your system's performance. Let's identify and fix them. Your PSU is the heart of your PC, but many overlook it during troubleshooting. Let's explore the 5 key signs that indicate your PSU might be failing. Your PSU might not be providing enough power for stability. Never reuse a damaged PSU. Replace it immediately. Clean the fan or replace the PSU if noise continues. Use HW monitor to check voltage. Replace if it's unstable. Do a careful paperclip test or consult an expert. Prevention is key. Choose the right PSU and maintain it regularly. For expert assistance, contact Easter Laptop Repair in Las Vegas today